Good evening, folks. I am CHMR Chief Colonel Janesville for Weather Blast, January 15th, 2019, 11 o'clock. A flash freeze tonight, messy mix for Thursday, and mild temperatures, and a bitter cold Friday coming up. Looking at the almanac for today, 3 degrees was the high, the low -4, the average -1, the average low is -9. The record high, 16 degrees, set back in 2006, and the record low is -19 in 1988. We did break a record for precipitation for today. 48.0 millimeters is what we had today. That includes snow, freezing rain, ice pellets, and rain all mixed together. That breaks the record from 1955 at 34.5 millimeters. Looking at current conditions now, we are looking at freezing rain now, changing over to snow, temperature of 0 degrees, dew point -1, 95% humidity. Winds west 19 km per hour with a wind chill of -7, and the pressure at 984.31 hectopascals. Let's take a look at what we are dealing with right now. Over much of the metro, we are seeing temperatures between -2 and 0 degrees. -1 right now in downtown with a wind chill -7. Those northwest winds 15 km per hour. And -2 dew point. As we take a look now at the radar at the rain tracker, we are seeing that the last bit of snow is moving out now of the Avalon. Now the northern peninsula here, Bay Roberts, Carbonear, right down to Cape Race. We are seeing those skies finally clearing, and the last of the snow should end for us shortly after midnight. And then we'll see mostly cloudy skies throughout the rest of the night. Take a look now at the future cast here, taking us out over the next 54 hours. We are seeing that snow ending as we get through the overnight hours tonight. And then we'll see just mostly cloudy skies as that low departs. Winds will become windy overnight tonight, but as that high pressure takes over and the low continues to pull away off to Greenland, we can see those winds becoming much lighter. In fact, light winds for tomorrow afternoon. Next system is from this low pressure over Quebec. That will bring some snow and rain to the Maritimes tomorrow. This will arrive in our neck of the woods Wednesday night into Thursday, and into our neck of the woods here on the Avalon for late day Thursday with some snow, change over to rain as we get into Thursday afternoon, and eventually ending late Thursday afternoon. We may even see some mostly cloudy skies, some sun peaks as we get into the late afternoon hours around 3 or 4 o'clock before it gets dark on Thursday. And then the high pressure takes over from there as it settles over Nova Scotia. That will bring us some sunshine, beautiful sunshine for Friday, but also some very cold temperatures. Alright, let's take a look now at the forecast. For tomorrow, closer look, we are seeing -3 for your wake up at 6 a.m., -5 as we get towards noon hour tomorrow, and then -7 for tomorrow evening with mostly cloudy skies. Hourly forecast showing that flurries for midnight and -1 windy conditions continuing right through till 6 a.m. with mostly cloudy skies, temperatures of -3 and then -4 by 6 a.m., -4 at 9 a.m. and mostly cloudy skies. And mostly cloudy skies continue into noon tomorrow, and temperatures of -5. If you're heading out to school tomorrow morning, we are looking at mostly cloudy skies, windy -3, noontime looking at breezy conditions, and mostly cloudy skies and -5, and then tomorrow afternoon mostly cloudy skies and falling temperatures to -7, some Arctic air moving in. So tonight, snow ending windy, -4. 40% chance of precipitation, northwest winds at 50 km per hour, gets into 80 or 90 at times. Looking at that temperature trend for tonight, we are looking at those temperatures falling down to -4 by 6 a.m. compared to +4 that we had at supper hour. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy and falling temperatures, -4, light winds and very little chance of any precipitation. And tomorrow night, we are looking at increasing clouds, breezy, falling temperatures to -10, then rising overnight. Southwest to south winds 30, gusting to 50, and then increasing to 40, gusting to 80 by overnight or early morning, an 80% chance of precipitation late overnight. If you have plans for the weekend, Friday's beautiful. Sun and clouds, -8. It's going to be really frigid. But Saturday, we do have a small weak system for Saturday that's going to bring us some rain and snow mixed in early in the morning, and then ending in the afternoon. Temperatures rising to +4, and then Sunday we are looking at those sun and clouds at -8. Here's a better look at that forecast for Saturday. A little sneak peek at it. We are looking at mostly cloudy skies Friday night. As we get into midnight Saturday, mostly cloudy skies. That snow doesn't begin to arrive to the south until very early morning Saturday, around 6 a.m. And then eventually quickly moving over the Avalon as we get through the early morning hours of Saturday. And then some moderate to heavy snow late Saturday morning into noon hour. That's when we'll see a changeover to some rain. And then the system moves out as we get to 3 o'clock Saturday afternoon. So let's take a look now at the temperature trend that will take us out for the next 5 days. The average is -1. We are looking at -5 for tomorrow, +4 Thursday. A roller coaster ride because Friday is -8, Saturday is back to +4, and then Sunday we're back to -8. And of course, if you can guess what Monday is going to be with a roller coaster ride, it's back up again. In fact, Monday we are looking at temperatures of 9 degrees. It's going to be very mild. There are some indications we could even get 10 or 11 degrees in some spots, cloudy skies. Next best chance for snow is Tuesday, with temperatures falling to -4 in the afternoon and 0 in the morning. That's your CHMR weather blast. I'm CHMR Chief Mouse James Swat. Have a great evening, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.